Unboxing the RYOBI ONE 18-volt soap dispensing telescoping scrubber. This is the tool only, so it does not include the battery. This is going to provide effortless cleaning with powerful performance. Extends up to 51 inches to clean hard to reach areas, and it is compatible with over 25 hex and triangle accessories. So we just rip the top open, which is nice. That gives us access to the top of our unit. And we pull it all out. This is live unboxing. It has not come out of the box yet. So here is the actual head of the unit. This is where you'll attach your tools. As you can see here, it is adjustable. So as you can see there, boom. All right. Then it has the telescoping wand here. You can unscrew this. That's going to go longer, shorter. Screw that back in. Back here, you have your different options on the actual unit here. So as you can see here, we have soap plus water. We have water, and currently it's selected to none. So you can twist the knob to water, twist the knob to salt plus water. You're going to hook up soap. Back here is where you will insert your 18-volt RYOBI compatible battery. So this does have a big giant case, so it's for the extended battery. Obviously you can fit the basic normal battery in there as well. It does have an O-ring around it to keep the water out, so you're going to want to make sure that you put that in there properly when you do that. And then it does have on the handle here the power button, so that's where you turn it on and off. So there you go, as you can see there. So that is the actual tool itself, and this is waterproof, by the way, as we saw right when we talked about having the actual the O-ring there. So you put that under, snaps in place. This metal bracket snaps in place. Now it is completely sealed. So what's interesting about this one is if you've ever done your shower, or you've ever done, you know, some of your hardwood floors or tile floors, and you have to bend over and scrape and do this, or try to get to the top of your shower, it's really difficult. That's why they made this, because now you don't have to do anything. Obviously this even works on cars if you want to bend down and do the wheels of your car, etc. The rims, the wheels, whatever you like to call them. But that is the tool part of the unit. All right, so that's the tool that we just unboxed. It does also have a leverage handle, as you can see here. You can put this on the actual tool, and then you can hold it. So you got that longer extension grip grab as well. So you're not trying to hold it back here and do this thing, okay? So it does have the actual grabber handle there, which is nice. It does also come with the standard wheel here. You can see the adapter that it comes with right here. And this will go on here. All right, so, and then of course that will tie in there, and now you've got your first tool. So you can see like this going on your shower, going on your floors, going on your vehicle, whatever. I wouldn't recommend it on paint necessarily, but on those hard to clean surfaces, okay? So you've got that as an option. So what you'll do is you'll take the item, you'll just slide it right into the hole and then just twist it, and it snaps into place. Now it's on, ready to go to work. All right, now this is the soap dispenser piece, and as you can see, this kind of snaps right in here. And when you connect that soap to the soap dispenser section, it'll suck the soap out for you, spray it up in this direction with the nozzle, and now you've got a automatic soap dispensing tool as well. So I just plugged it in there. You can see how that fits on there. All right, so now we've got the soap dispenser in place. We've got our tool mounted on the deal. Like I said, this one is a tool only. So I'm gonna go grab my own rechargeable battery, which I recommend everyone have that extra boosted battery anyway. All right, so here's my large extra battery that I purchased. And this one was for my leaf blower. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and snap this in place, just like that. Now we're locked in, and then we'll go ahead and close the case. Boom. And now we can go ahead and activate the scrubber. There you go. So one touch turns it on. In the box, it did also come with RYOBI soap solution. So this is for multi-purpose cleaning, which is nice. Citrus scent, ready to use. And in the unboxing, you also get the instructions manual, operator's manual here. And that is everything in the box. So we have the tool, we have the soap, we have the operator's guide, and it is ready to work.